conquer your thoughts. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Conquer your thoughts. If you understand your brain, you can conquer your thoughts. But before you're doing this, you must first understand why such a feeling has come to you. Have you ever searched that? There are thousands of different senses, not just good, bad, happiness, sadness. Thousands of different senses. What led to that particular reaction? What circumstances lead you to an unpleasant decision? When you know and discover all that, all the nuances of the mind, then you have the code of your life in your hands. Because I think you write the codes yourself and put them on yourself and your life. Break them. Break that useless codes and use useful ones for yourself. Break them. Understand your feelings. You should discover the depth of your existence. You should create, because now the world is internet. So present, be ready. Use your data. Because this is your life. This game is your life. And you should know, because you are unique. Because everyone's mind is different. The ways of presenting, implementing, and using existing codes are different. And codes are different for everyone. Useful codes, useful codes for you may be or may not be useful for someone else's life. So you should check your inner self. You should check your soul. Yeah. Discover yourself and use the useful codes, not useless codes. You are unique. You have to use your useful codes, not someone else's useful codes. Okay? And always remember, You cannot take someone else's place. And also, no one can take your place too. And there is only one you. If you like my video, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for being here. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for listening to my videos, watching my videos. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Amira Rani. Bye.